Hi, this is Priyanshu. In today's video, we are going to talk about our Class 6 Mathematics of AP State Board. And this is our first chapter, knowing our numbers. And this is exercise 1.4. So if you have any kinds of doubt in this exercise, so don't worry, I'm going to explain you. Okay, so in this exercise already we see the previous exercise. So in this exercise we are going to talk about the first question telling that write a number using the comma according to the international number systems. Okay, so here I told you in the previous exercise the international and national Indian and international number systems, but we have to put the comma in the this one according to the international number system. So what is international number system? So we already know that international number system start with 1 and tens. Okay, no, my handwriting is not good, so once okay, I try to write it properly. Ones, tens, and 100 and 1000, 10,000. Okay, and then after it goes to like 100,000, and then after it start with the million, and then it's go to the 10 million, and then it's going to be 100 million. So here we are looking this international number system after 3 digits. This also 3, same, thousand, 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 same. This is also same, million, 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 this is same. So international number systems goes through the 3 3 3. Okay, after the 3 digits we have to put comma in the international number system, or Indian number system we have to put after the 3 digits, then after 2 digits. Okay, because Indian number system is like that: ones, tens, 100, then after 1000, 10,000. 1000 is starting from like this, 1000 and 10,000, then after lakh, 10 lakh. Okay, like that. So but international have 3 so how we can put this one? Okay, so how we can write this one here? So it's very simple. So first write like this. This is given this is 3 digits, put comma, 3 digits, put comma, over, like that. Only here I can write. Okay, now after 3 digits, here this is 3 digits, put comma, 1 to 3 digits, put comma, over. Okay, now after 3 digits we have to put comma. Here this is 3 digits, put comma, this is also 3, put comma. So don't put here. In the last you don't have to put the comma. Okay, any number in any number system, whenever you get this is 3, this is fulfill, the last you cannot put the comma. Okay, last here after the 3 is comma, then over. Okay, this is fourth one, this is a 3 digits. Okay, now here in the 8 after this, okay, here, okay, after the 3 digits, comma, after the this one, here this 3 digits, put comma, over. Okay, so generally this is the number systems. Is it clear? Right, let's talk about the second question. The second question telling that collect the mobile numbers of your friends and other family members, write the them using comma, and read them international number system. Okay, it is telling, right, you have to collect some numbers. Like Indian numbers are starting with +91 and something, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, now 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, like that. Okay, now so how you can put comma in this one? After 3 digits, put comma, after 3 digits, put comma. Okay, 1 2 3, after 3 digits, put comma, after here don't put. Okay, this is the last one. So like that. So like that you can put another number, 1 2 0 0 5 6 4. Okay, like this, 3 3 6, this is 9, and this is going to be 0. So how you can put comma in this one? It's very also simple. After 3 digits, 3 digits, comma, 3 digits, comma, 3 digits, comma. So using the mobile numbers you can put. Okay, right? So this is you can do with yourself. Any random number you can also take, and after the 3 digits you can put comma. Okay, right, come to the topic. Fourth question is just telling write the numbers in the word in the both Indian and international systems. Okay, so the third question is given we have to write this number into the Indian number system also and international number systems also. Okay, now so let's write the first into the Indian number systems. Okay, so how you will write this into the Indian number systems? Let see this one. So first we are going to write into the Indian number systems. First in the Indian number system. So first let's put comma, 2 digits, after 3 digits put comma, after 2 digits, after 2 digits. Okay, now let's count. What is it going to be? This is going to be 100, this is going to be 1000, this is lakh, this is crore. So what is it going to be? It is going to be 12 crore. It is going to be 12 crore. 12 crore, this is going to be 31. This is going to be THIRTY 31 lakh. Okay, then 31 lakh. Then after 15,000. 15,000. And this is going to be 0 and 7, so it is going to be 27. It is going to be what? 27. Okay, now let's write this number into the international. So this is 123115027. Now we have to put comma into 3 digits, 3 and 3. Okay, so how we are going to write this into the international number systems? Let's see. First count: ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, and thousands, million, 10 million, 100 million. So it is given 100 million. So first we will write this one, millions. So how you can write? Simple. 100, write 100, like simple. 123, like first we have to write 123. 100, write 100. This is 23. 123. We have to write, this is in the million place, write million here. Over. Now this is here. This is what? Write also 115. Here also write 100. 100. Okay, sorry. 115. Okay. 115. This is in the which place? 1000 place. Write 1000. Simple. 1000. And this is 27. Okay, because 0 is there na, so let's 27 only. 27 over. Okay, now let's write this one in the Indian number system. So we already know about Indian number system. First 3 digits, 2 digits, 2 digits. So what is it given? It is given 8 crore. Write like this. This is going to be 8 crore 96 lakhs. Okay, now what is going to be? 96 lakh. Okay, after that 43,000. 43,000. And this is 92. Over. Now we have to write in the international. So this is given 8964390. 3 digits comma. So what is it going to be? It is going to be what? It is going to be 89. What? 89 million, because this is going to be million place. So if it is put 1, then it's going to be 189 million. But 1 is not given, so this is going to be 89 simply. EIGSTY 89 million. Simple. 89 million. This is going to be 100. So how you can write this in 100? Simple. 643. First write 600. 643. 43. It is in the 1000. So we already written here 643. Now it is in the 1000 place. Write 1000. Simple. 1000. Right. This is 92. Just here there is a no, in the 100 place there is a 0. So 92. We will directly write 92. Okay. 92. Okay. So this is your second question, third question, which is over here. Okay na? If it is clear, then I will talk about the fourth question. So the fourth question is telling here, read the following number carefully and answer the following. Okay, now we have to read this number. So this is given in the international number system. This one, 3 digits is given. Okay, so the digit at million place. Which digit in the million place? So if you count here, which digit is given in the million place? Let's count. This is ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000. This is million. Which digit in the million? 2 is in the million place. Okay, this is over. Now the second question. What the second question is given here? The digit at 100 place. Which is in the 100 place? Count. Ones, tens, 100. 4 is in the 100 place. Okay. Now let's talk about the third question. So what the third question is it telling here? Let's see. The digit in the 10 million place. Which digit in the 10 million place? Count. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. Sorry. I will count it again. Count. Ones, tens, 100. Okay. 1000, 10,000, 100,000. it is telling 10 million. So this is million, this is 10 million. In the 10 million, which number is there? 0 is in the 10 million, over. Okay, 0 in the 10 million. Now this is your fourth question. What is telling? Fourth question, what is telling? See, how many millions are there in the number system? So here, how many millions are there? If you see, this is normal, this is 1000, this is million. How many numbers are in the million? This is 302. This is million. Count ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000. This is 100,000. After that, million. Okay, now here it is million, 10 million, 100 million. So how many millions are there? 302. So what we can write? We can write also this into the number 302. You will write also 302 or 302 also. Okay, 302 or 302 also you can write. Okay, so this exercise is totally completed here only. Whatever in this one, everything is clear. I hope you don't have any kinds of doubt, and if you have any kinds of doubt, you can message me in the comment. I definitely try to find the solution of that one. Okay, I hope this video is going to be helpful. Let's see you in the next video. Jai Hind.